Embracing change, preparing for the AI revolution in the job market. The arrival of AI technologies like Devin AI has sparked conversations about the future of work and employment. For many, this innovation brings concern, especially for jobs ripe for automation. But it's not just about fear. It's about preparation, adapting to ensure relevance in an evolving job market. Firstly, staying informed is crucial. Understanding AI's impact on your field can help you navigate changes. Secondly, upskilling becomes indispensable. Focus on acquiring skills that AI cannot easily replicate. Creative thinking, emotional intelligence, and strategic planning are areas where humans excel. Embrace AI as a tool for augmentation, not just replacement, and see it as an opportunity for growth and innovation.